Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, November 15th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this weekend. Classes are first, third, and fourth periods. You need to finish practice 4.1b in Warrior time. If you had math 7th or 8th period, that assignment is due at the end of Warrior time on Monday, so you can complete that for homework over the weekend if you'd like, or you can just wait and do it in Warrior time on Monday. In honors math, we had practice 4.2b in class. Hopefully you got it done. If not, I'm sure you have the same as 7th and 8th period math to have it done by the end of Warrior time Monday. In science and social studies, there is no homework. However, remember we do have our citizenship assignment for quarter 2 that we talked about today that is going to be due next Friday. So if you want to go ahead and get that done and get it taken care of, you can do that. In language arts, there is no homework. Enjoy your weekend. And in literature, just a reminder that we need to be reading 30 to 45 minutes a day and taking AR tests in order to be ready for our meeting our AR goal, which is Friday, December 13th, 4 weeks from today. This is going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic weekend.